Okay guys, we have a Pottery Barn dupe to do today. It's a candle holder that I fell in love with, but I did not like the price. So let's go ahead and remake it on a really low budget. Here we go guys! Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and a little bit of organization, but all on a budget. Come check out today's craft. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe. Check out some of my previous videos and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget, I always try and link everything I used in the description box below. And if I can't find exactly what I used, I link something as close as possible. Okay, here we go guys. To start this Pottery Barn dupe, I stopped at the Dollar Tree and I got one of these cylinder vases. Next, I took some tape, and I thought this was painter's tape, but now I'm questioning myself, so I might have to go look at it again. But what I did is I went ahead and I wrapped the entire center of the jar because I wanted some gold at the bottom and some at the top, but I definitely did not want any in between. So I want to go ahead and try and use what I already have on hand to make the base of the candle holder. And of course we're going to try and make it as similar as possible to the Pottery Barn candle holder base. First I have this lid. It's to one of the other jars from Dollar Tree, and I don't know why. I a lot of times don't use the lids, but I usually keep them in case they'll come in handy, so I guess it worked out this time. The next thing I have is the mason jar, and this is part of the inside of the lid, and now I just have a ring for the rest of the lid, so I thought that would fit nicely on there. And of course last I have the buttons. So here you can see I just played around and did some mixing and matching with the buttons that I had and the lids to kind of imitate the bottom of the candle holder at Pottery Barn. And to hold everything together, I did go ahead and use this craft glue. It's really old. I have no idea how long I've had it, but it smells a lot like E6000, so I was assuming it was something similar. I would definitely use E6000. I did end up using a little hot glue to kind of give it that instant hold, as well as using the craft glue, which I think is E6000 a really long time ago. I also had to go get a second jar of buttons so that I had a little bit more variety in the sizes that I had. So I'm going to take the base that we created out of the buttons and lids, as well as the vase that we taped off outside with some Krylon Gold Metallic paint, and go ahead and just, when I spray this part, I'm going to spray kind of this way because I didn't want to tape off the inside. And I'm just going to do small sprays, and then, you know, the rest of it will just get spray painted. Alright, so I'll be right back with how it's looking. So I missed a couple spots on the base, but this part, the vase was dry, so I went ahead and brought that in, and now I'm just going to pull off all the tape that was in the center between the two parts of the gold that we sprayed. I probably should have removed that sticker on the bottom just for aesthetics, but you can fill it up. It's all ready to go, and it's going to look great with whatever candle you put in. Alright guys, here's a look at the final project. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!